What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Alien Show, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve for a stoich and a yield percent problem. So our problem is, in a series of reactions, ethylene is converted to ethanol through an intermediate. If 500 grams of C2H4 is used and the overall percent yield of ethanol is 75%, calculate the actual yield of ethanol. So we are looking for the actual. That is what we're looking for, guys. Now we gotta label our unknown and our known, which our known is what is given to us, which is 500 grams of C2H4, and our unknown, which is C2H5OH, which is what we're always gonna look for. After labeling our known and unknown, we have to convert grams to moles. So we have to do 500 grams of C2H4. And to get to moles, you always have to divide by your molar mass, which is 25. After determining your known and unknown, we have to convert your grams into moles. So this is when we would do 500 grams of C2H4. And we put 1 mole. And to always determine, to convert your grams to moles, you have to divide by your molar mass, which is 28. And once you do your calculations, 500 divided by 28, you're going to get 17.85, but you just round to 18. So it's going to be 18 moles of C2H4. There you go. Now after determining the number of moles, this is where you plug in your unknown and known. So you're going to want to do 18 moles of C2H4. And this is where you plug in your known and unknown. So your unknown always goes on top and your known always goes at the bottom. And so our unknown will be 1 mole of C2H5OH, and your known is going to be 1 mole of C2H4. After solving your equation, you're going to get 18 moles of C2H5OH. Now that we got our moles, this is where you have to convert back to grams. So you have to do 18 moles of C2H5OH. And this is where you have to times it now instead of dividing by the molar mass of C2H5OH. And this is 46. After calculating 18 times 46, you get 828. Okay, 828 was our theoretical, so now we have to plug into this formula, which gives us our final answer, which is the actual. Okay, so now let's plug it in. So our theoretical is 828. And you had to times it by the percentage, which what was given. But we had to turn it into a decimal, so it's gonna be 0.75. After doing our calculations, you should get 621 grams of C2H5OH, and that gives you your actual.